Good day, everyone. This is Richard Rodriguez, co-founder of SoCal Warehouses. I want to give you a little tour at this listing that I have here in LA County. It's an industrial site sitting on about 11,000 square feet of land. As you can see, plenty of parking for cars. It is a wood frame building built in the 50s, and a couple unique factors here. There is heavy power. We have 400 amps, 480 volts, three-phase, which is attracting a lot of manufacturing clients that could utilize that type of power. We have a 12-foot height clearance here. Nothing exciting, not dramatic, but that's due to the age of the property. But nevertheless, a lot of opportunities to be created on this property. We're listed at $1,050,000, and we do have multiple offers deployed through our marketing tactics. Of course, we always like to make sure that our properties are showcased across the board, banners, online, and direct mail. This is what we do best. If you're looking to buy, sell, or lease a property, don't hesitate to reach out. Look forward to connecting.